Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Definepedia. Today we are dividing into a game changer for organization, the ETOP analysis. But before we embark on this strategy journey, I have a question for you. Ever wondered how businesses navigate the twist and turn of their environment? Any answer? Okay, so comment them into comment section. Those who don't know the answer, let's find out together. ETOP, or we can say that environmental threat and opportunity profile, serve as a guiding star for businesses, helping them navigate through a sea of opportunity and threat in ever-changing environment. So let's embark on this journey of strategic wisdom. Imagine ETOP as a map where we divide the business's environment into various sectors and also clarify and analyze their impact on the organization. It is a structured way to decode the complex dynamic and make well-informed decisions. Now, why is studying ETOP analysis important for organization? It's the key to identify opportunity, market position, understand the business landscape, formulating effective strategies, and of course, conducting ever-important SWOT analysis. Now let's talk about the step to prepare ETOP. Let's understand how to prepare an ETOP analysis. In ETOP analysis, we take all external factors like dividing environment into sectors like politics, economics, technology, and more. Then we go deeper, identify sub-factors and finding their impact on the organization. For example, political stability, positive impact with the favorable policy, and negative impact with the unfavorable ones. Now, first step is identify environmental sector. First thing, divide the environment into different sectors. Think like the major landscape in your business journey, politics, economics, technology, and more. Each sector set the stage for a different part of our strategic story. Second step, subdividing sector into sub-factors. Now let's know each sector identifies sub-factor. These are the specific elements that contribute to the overall environment. For example, in the political sector, you might have some sub-factor like government regulation, tax policy, and political stability. So you have to identify them also. Third step is analyzing impact of each sub-factor. Now determine the impact of each sub-factor on the organization. Imagine it like evaluating characters in our story. For example, in politics, political stability could have a positive impact with favorable policy and also have a negative impact with the unfavorable ones. Next step is create a statement for each sub-factor. Turn your finding into a narrative, crafting a statement for each sub-factor, outlining its impact on the organization. This is where the puzzle pieces come together, revealing the bigger picture of opportunity and threat. Now next step is dividing environmental sector into sub-sectors. Now let's add another layer, dividing each environmental sector into sub-sector. This will help us to navigate and even finer detail, make our strategy map more precise. Next step is determine impact of each subsector. Apply the same analytical lens to the subsectors, evaluate their impact on organization, and articulate it into the form of statement. This detailed analytic ensures that we don't make any mistake while analyzing the ETOP. Now let's compile the ETOP analysis. Analyze all your findings into an environmental threat and opportunity profile, mean ETOP. This document is strategic playbook provide a clear understanding of environmental factors which influence your organization. Let's talk about the example of ETOP analysis. Now to make it real, let's explore the ETOP analysis of a real player in the aerospace industry, Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. Under economic factor, they get opportunity in infrastructural development, but they face threat due to resources constraint. It's like peeling layer to reveal valuable insight. Now let's talk about some advantages of ETOP. It is a compass that helps to determine the key factor of threat and opportunity. It provides a clear understanding of which sector favor the organization. And its beauty is that it's very flexible. You can consider multiple factors for each unique cases. Now let's talk about the disadvantage of ETOP. However, let's don't forget the flip side of this ETOP. While ETOP is a powerful tool, it's not a guarantee and its application in practice can be challenging. It does not possess the ability to predict the future, and drowning in too much data may lead to uncertainty, potentially make organization overly caution, which can turn into a delayed decision making. Now let's talk about what's my perspective regarding this ETOP analysis. So it is a strategic compass for business sailing through the dynamic seas of opportunity and threat. As always, stay tuned for more Definepedia insight. Until next time, keep learning because knowledge is for everyone.